Hi guys! So for those of you guys who don't know, I recently signed up to become a mascara artist and I'm super excited. It combines just selling things with my love of makeup and making people feel gorgeous. And so I am just going to do my unboxing of my package that I just got of all of my stuff. Literally everything I get in my kit fits in here because this stuff is so compact and awesome. I am so excited. Okay. I want to show you how pretty it is. I already kind of sneak peeked because, you know, that's just what you do, right? So everything fits in here. Those are little cards that just fell out. And with my kit, I got 2 brushes. These are so pretty. Like, even the packaging, look, it just has like this pretty little heart right there. I just love it. It's like rose gold and all that jazz. And this is one of my brushes that I got. Is a blush and bronzer brush. Let's see if I can put it down. There we go. Like, look at how pretty that is. Beautiful rose gold and regular gold handle. Oh, and it's double-ended, which is great because then you need less brushes and you can just pack it like this. Like, it's going to be so easy to travel. Remember, we went to Seattle and taking almost an entire bag full of makeup and stuff, and this is going to be so much easier next time we decide to go up there. Let's see, let's twist it this way. This is our 30-second hack brush. So this side we use for like the highlight, and this side we use for the contour. Yeah, it's super pretty. It says mascara right on it. I don't know if you can see that. No, it's too shiny, but it says mascara. It's printed on there. It's gorgeous. And then I get a, like, literally the world's softest beauty blender. So soft and squishy when you get it wet. Oh my gosh, I was in love. And it just helps blend everything out. I mean, literally, this stuff is so easy. Like, you just like stripe your face and then use the perfector to kind of blend it out, and it looks so soft and pretty. And it just adds a nice shadow. And then I have a couple of compacts. So I have this little guy right here, and it'll fit 4 little buddies in there. And then I have this one. It's like a marble one. And I have this double-decker. Super excited about. Hey, Lindsay. Hi, Mom. So I fit some on this side and some on that side. It has a nice little mirror. And basically, I'll be able to fit all of my makeup in this. Be able to take it places, which is so nice. Because I don't want to have to be carrying all that stuff around. So, all right. And then I have some makeup wipes. And then finally, we get to the good stuff. Ooh, what's this? A nice little small powder. Ooh, I got a little purple eyeshadow. Really pretty. I'll be able to snap that guy right in there. And even like our tins are gorgeous. Like, just look at that. Oh, that's just one of them. So this is a highlight. Oops, I just got it. It's like a darker highlight. And highlights are basically our foundation, for lack of a better word. This is amber. Let's see if you can see that. There we go. That's their little thing. I have one. Like, just look at how pretty these are. Like, each one has their own like little theme, like mountain and ocean, and I'm dropping things because I'm special. And then I have this really pretty like blush. Like a pinky blush. I'm so excited to play with this and try this on people. So if you want me to color match you, I just need a selfie in like natural light. I'll be doing a launch party. This is another color. And I'll be sharing more about it. But like, literally, I get ready like with my foundation and like 5-10 minutes in the morning, like even less. Like, I'm estimating super high. I'm just looking at all these little guys, seeing if there's any more blushes, because these just look to be highlights and contours. And it's literally highlighting, contouring your face and not having to put foundation on. So it takes an entire step out, which is awesome. I just see highlight, contour, nude. I think I already have nude. I already have nude. Let's see. This is a lip and cheek. Yes, I have this one. This is actually on my lips right now. 98% certain that's the one I have. And then this is an illuminator, which is what adds like that shine, like what other people would call a highlight. It's not opening. Open sesame. There it is. Ooh. That's kind of broken. But anyways, it's like that. So like you would just take a little bit and just put it on the high points. But yeah, the stuff like literally so fast and easy, and it lasts all day, which I absolutely love. So if you want to get color matched, if you want to, if you're in the area and you want to try it out, let me know. I am so excited to be going around and doing people's makeup and having lots of fun doing it. So that is my unboxing. Oh wait, I forgot something. Found something else. Yay. For you. A powder. So, yep. This is just a setting powder. So yeah, it's really affordable. It's $14 for a highlight, and it lasts me 3 to 4 months. I think the last one I had. The contour is the same, and they last about 3 to 8 months, depending on how much you use. I'm kind of a heavy-handed person, so I'll probably end up on the 3 months. And then like blushes last you a year, and same with illuminators. So that's my unboxing. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have any questions, message me. I'm more than happy to answer them. All right, great. Have a good one. Bye. Making that noise, Sam Sam.